In this video, you will see how valuable products are made from these donkeys.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship and care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories from Next Gen Process.
Keep them moving, easy now. Watch the flank. All right, hold it there. Keep the line moving smoothly.
We need the next batch ready for cutting.
This batch looks good for initial cleaning. Keep the speed consistent on this machine. Temperature is holding steady.
The stretch looks perfect on this one.
These are ready for curing.
Solution is ready for the next step.
The color is taking well.
This batch has excellent pliability.
Ready for precision cutting. Final inspection before packaging.
This batch has an incredible hand feel and distinct grain.
Perfect for our new line.
Perhaps a slightly more structured collar to complement the leather's rigidity.
Good point. It will add to the garment's longevity and classic appeal.
That shoulder line could use a slight curve to enhance the silhouette.
Understood. A minor tweak, but it makes all the difference in the drape.
Yes, that's it. The silhouette is perfect, and the drape of the leather is truly captured.
I agree. Ready to send this to the pattern cutting team? The digital files are already sent to the cutting floor. This is just for our reference.
Excellent. The precision of these patterns will ensure a perfect fit.
Did you scan the last pallet?
Yes, they are all set for shipment to New York. Cross-reference the manifest with the box labels. This one goes to section 3.
Got it. Secure that corner first.
Did you verify the leather handbag count for Section B? Yes, cross-referenced with the manifest. We are clear.
What makes donkey farming unique compared to other livestock?
It's their temperament, they're intelligent, and require a gentle hand. Every animal here has a story, a personality. We learn from them too.
How has the market for donkey products changed over the years?
It's grown. People appreciate the unique quality and ethical sourcing more now.
There's a quiet dignity to these animals. It's a privilege to work with them daily.